Imagine escaping the jaws of a crocodile, outrunning a pack of hungry wolves, or slipping away from a cheetah sprinting at highway speeds. In the wild, every second can mean the difference between life and death. Yet some animals survive against impossible odds using intelligence, speed, teamwork, and astonishing instincts. Today we're counting down some of the most incredible animal escapes ever witnessed, from breathtaking underwater getaways to dramatic chases across the African savanna. Make sure you stay until the end, because the final escape is so unbelievable that many people thought it had to be fake. Nature's beauty hides an endless struggle for survival. Every sunrise marks the beginning of thousands of hunts, predators searching for a meal, prey searching for one more day. Over millions of years, evolution has equipped animals with extraordinary escape strategies, lightning-fast reflexes, perfect camouflage, remarkable endurance, and clever deception. These are the most incredible animal escapes ever recorded. Join me as we journey into the untamed wild, where every heartbeat and every decision could determine the fate of an animal's life. In the vast grasslands of Africa, two icons of speed and agility meet in a life-or-death race. The cheetah, the fastest land animal, can reach speeds over 70 miles per hour in mere seconds. But for all its speed, a cheetah's sprint is short-lived. Enter the gazelle. When the chase begins, the gazelle zigzags, pivots and feints with astonishing precision, forcing the cheetah to mirror its unpredictable path. This isn't just a display of raw speed, it's a contest of wits and split-second decision-making. The gazelle's large eyes scan for danger and its slender legs allow for rapid changes in direction. With each swerve, the gazelle drains the cheetah's energy reserves. If the gazelle can keep the chase going for just a few more seconds, its chances of escape improve dramatically. More than half of cheetah hunts end in failure, largely due to the gazelle's evasive maneuvers. The gazelle's survival depends not on being the fastest, but on being the smartest, anticipating the predator's moves and never running in a straight line for long. For the cheetah, each hunt is a gamble, a burst of energy that could mean a meal or nothing at all. In this eternal contest, victory belongs not just to the swift but to the clever. In the icy waters of the polar seas, another remarkable escape unfolds. Orcas, also known as killer whales, hunt seals resting on drifting ice floes, using coordinated waves to knock them into the water. Some seals have learned to use the ice to their advantage, sliding across its slippery surface to evade the orca's relentless pursuit. One extraordinary escape stands out. A panicked seal, cornered on a shrinking floe, makes a daring leap right onto the back of a surfacing orca. For a brief, heart-stopping moment, predator and prey are face to face. But this quick thinking buys the seal precious seconds, enough to slip off and scramble onto a new piece of ice, just out of the orca's reach. Orcas circle, but the seal remains vigilant, slipping from floe to floe, ever aware of the danger below. It's a masterclass in adaptability, using every resource, every ounce of ingenuity, to stay alive. Eventually, the orcas move on, defeated for now. The seal, battered but alive, has won this round, not with strength, but with courage, agility, and a willingness to take risks. Such escapes remind us that in the wild, fortune often favors the bold. Across wooded meadows and rolling hills, the age-old duel between rabbit and fox unfolds. The fox, with its keen senses and silent tread, stalks its prey with patience and skill. But the rabbit, small and seemingly fragile, is far from defenseless. Its greatest weapon is unpredictability. When the chase begins, the rabbit explodes with energy, darting in unpredictable bursts. It zigs and zags, changing direction mid-leap, throwing the fox off balance. The rabbit's large hind legs propel it over obstacles, through thickets, and even underground if a burrow is near. Sometimes the rabbit will double back, retracing its own scent trail to confuse its pursuer. This behavior, known as jinking, is a marvel of natural strategy, honed over generations. For the rabbit, every successful evasion is a victory snatched from the jaws of fate. In this relentless game, survival favors those who refuse to run in straight lines. Beneath the shimmering surface of tropical seas, the flying fish faces predators from every direction: tuna, dolphins, and even seabirds circling above. When danger strikes, this remarkable fish takes to the air in an astonishing display of survival. Pursued by swift predators, the flying fish bursts through the surface, unfurling wing-like pectoral fins. It glides above the waves, skimming the air for up to 650 feet, sometimes longer than 2 football fields. Above the water, seabirds lie in wait. Below, predators track its shadow, The flying fish can alter its course mid-flight, steering with its tail, and sometimes leaps multiple times to outlast its pursuers. The spectacle is mesmerizing, a ballet of glinting scales, splashing water and sudden danger at every turn. The flying fish's journey is a testament to nature's ingenuity. Sometimes survival requires thinking outside the water. Deep within rocky reefs and kelp forests, the octopus reigns as an unrivaled escape artist. With no bones to restrict its shape, the octopus can squeeze through the tiniest cracks, vanishing in an instant when danger looms. Its most astonishing power lies in its ability to disappear in plain sight. Using specialized skin cells, the octopus can change its color and texture to match its surroundings, mimicking rocks, seaweed, or even other marine creatures. When threatened, it releases a cloud of ink, baffling its attacker and slipping away to hide in a new crevice. Some octopuses even mimic dangerous animals to deter predators. The octopus's intelligence is legendary, solving puzzles, opening jars, and learning from experience. Sometimes, the best way to survive is simply not to be seen. On a moonlit beach, hundreds of tiny sea turtles break free from their sandy nests and make a frantic dash toward the waves. This is the most perilous journey of their lives, a race where only a fraction will survive. Predators wait at every turn, ghost crabs, seabirds, and fish, all eager for an easy meal. The hatchlings rely on speed and determination to reach the relative safety of the ocean. Of hundreds, only a handful will make it to adulthood. Those who survive do so by harnessing instinct, timing, and sheer perseverance. For every hatchling that reaches the sea, it's the start of a new journey, and a new set of challenges beneath the waves. In the frozen tundra, musk oxen rely on unity and strength to defend against one of their most formidable predators, the wolf. When a pack approaches, the herd forms a defensive circle, placing the youngest at the center, while adults face outward, horns ready. Each musk ox stands shoulder to shoulder, presenting a wall of muscle and bone that's nearly impossible for wolves to breach. The wolves circle, searching for a gap, but the herd simply rotates, always keeping their most vulnerable protected. Occasionally a wolf will dart in, testing the line, but the musk oxen respond as one, charging and swinging their massive heads. The wolves, wary of injury, are often forced to retreat. If even one member panics, the circle can break, exposing the young to danger. The musk oxen's courage and unity show that sometimes, survival means standing your ground, together. Among rocky outcrops, a small lizard faces a sudden attack from a hungry predator. If caught by the tail, it has one last trick: tail autotomy. With a quick twist, the lizard detaches its tail, leaving it wriggling on the ground. The predator, distracted by the thrashing appendage, focuses on the decoy, giving the lizard time to escape. The lizard loses a valuable energy reserve, but in the wild, the price is worth it, an expendable part exchanged for a chance at life. Sometimes, losing a part of yourself is the only way to save the rest. What makes an animal escape truly extraordinary? Is it the raw speed of the gazelle, the daring leap of the seal, or the teamwork of the musk oxen? Each escape we've witnessed is a triumph of adaptation. The cheetah's prey outwits the fastest land animal. The octopus vanishes from sight. Sea turtles, born into danger, race toward a future only a few will reach. These stories are not just about survival, they are about resilience, creativity, and the unyielding will to live. Nature's greatest escapes are reminders of life's ingenuity. Over millions of years, animals have evolved astonishing abilities: camouflage, deception, cooperation, and sacrifice. In the end, the most incredible escape is the one that defies the odds and leaves us in awe of what life can achieve. As we marvel at these stories, we're reminded that survival is never guaranteed, but life, in all its forms, finds a way. The wild is full of breathtaking moments where survival hangs by a thread. Every escape tells a story of resilience, instinct, and extraordinary adaptation. If you enjoyed this journey through nature's greatest survival stories, be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss our next wildlife adventure. Which animal escape amazed you the most, and which one would you add to this list? Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next adventure.